Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a rump steak, and what we're going to do with it is we're going to cut it in half and sort of batten it out a little bit. Then we're going to cook it in the air fryer, but we're first going to pan sear it, and then we're going to cook it in the air fryer. Then we've got peppers, mushrooms and onions to go with it, with little fries, nice occasion fries. So I'm going to talk you through this step by step and show you how to do it. This is a quick, simple, easy recipe. This is why you should always cook fresh, never batch cook, just cook fresh. It'll take 15 minutes to cook this from start to finish, whether you're a chef or you're a novice. And I'm going to take you through it step by step in this video, so let's cook along. Let's go. So guys, we're going to batten the meat out. We're going to do it with the smooth side first, as you can see on the batten, and then we're going to do it with the rough side. But we're just going to do it slightly thin. We're not going to do it too thin, just a little bit thinner than it is. Just tap it gently, not too hard. Just tenderizing that meat a little bit, just ready for the air fryer when we're going to cook it in the air fryer and seal it in the pan. Then we're going to go on the other side, and just meat tenderize it a little bit more. Just go a little bit hard on it. That's how you can see it. There we are. That's as big as we want it. That's fine. So girls and guys, what we're going to do is we're going to heat the pan up with a little bit of olive oil in it. We're just going to let it get to temperature. Then we're going to add a little bit, all of the onions and all of the peppers. First we're going to caramelize the onion first, and then we're going to put the pepper in and caramelize that as well, just to bring out that flavour. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and a touch of fresh garlic, but there is quite a bit of garlic in my oil, so you can add the garlic, take away the garlic, add a little heat or chili. You know, it's up to you. Cooking's all about the individual taste, so do it to whatever you want it to taste like, but make sure it tastes amazing. So we're just going to get it hot so that we can get them onions in and we can sort of get them caramelized nicely. Just let the pan get that heat, and then let the pan do all the work. Just seal it, slightly stir it every so often, just to get the onions caramelized. So we're going to put them in first. As you can see, just give them a little stir. There you can see them onions. Just a quick reminder, you don't need the heat too hot. We're just going to caramelize them slowly, so the flavours come out of them slowly. And you can just see them. We don't want colour on them, we just need to caramelize them slightly. We don't want them too dark or black or burnt. We just want to caramelize them. So just take your time, slowly give it a stir. And then once they're caramelized, we're going to add the peppers. We're just going to add a little bit of salt and a touch of pepper, and just give that a quick mix. Keeping the heat low, just to get them caramelized. We're just using olive oil. So guys, you can see the onions, they're caramelizing nicely. What we're going to do is we're going to put some skinny fries on a tray, pop them in the air fryer or pop them in the oven. It's completely up to you. And we're just going to get them sort of golden colour, and then we're going to pop a little bit of Cajun seasoning on it, so it's got that little bit of spice to it. It's beautiful. And this is a short recipe, a quick recipe that doesn't take any time at all. 10-15 minutes, that's it at the most. So this is fresh. I always say fresh is best. Just slice the mushroom, pop that in as well. We're just going to cook that as well with the onions. Then we're going to put the red pepper in. As you can see, I wish you could smell it. It smells beautiful. Onions, mushrooms and peppers. With rump steak and nice fries. Gonna add the peppers. Get them caramelising as well with the mushrooms and the onions. So you can see the caramelising, we're just doing it slowly. And then what we're going to do is put them in a tin foil in the air fryer and just caramelise them a little bit more. And then we're going to cook the steak. So we pop the peppers, onions, mushrooms into some tin foil and just put them in the air fryer. You can put them in tin foil and put them in the oven. It's completely up to you. Then we're going to seal the steak in just olive oil and then cook it in a little bit in the air fryer. And then we're going to rest the meat, slice it, and then show you how the dish goes. A little bit of seasoning, pepper. Then when it's sealed, we're going to flip it over and do some more pepper and salt on the other side. Just going to get the seal on one side. So as you can hear, and I'm going to flip it over and it's sealed on the other side. Then flip it over and seal it on the other side. So you can hear it sizzling. I'm going to salt and pepper the other side. Then we're going to put it on a tray, let it rest for a couple of seconds, and then put it in the air fryer. So this is a rump steak. You can use any kind of steak you want. Sirloin, fillet, you can use rump, or you can use ribeye. It's completely up to you. Or you can use flank steak. So we're going to take it off, let it rest for a couple of seconds, and then we're going to put it in the air fryer. So we've got the steak here on this sealed pan. We're going to put the sealed pan in the air fryer just to get it hot and then put the steak on it. We're going to cook it and then let it rest, and then we're going to slice it. So guys, we've got the steak out. We're just going to let it rest for 2 to 3 minutes. Then we're going to carve it and then we're going to plate up. I'm going to show you how this dish goes. This was a quick, simple dish. It was done within 10 to 15 minutes. It's all fresh. And this is why there's no need to freeze food or batch cook or do anything like this. You can do this in 10 to 15 minutes. And it's just a quick, easy meal, done in the air fryer or done in the oven. So guys, we've done the fries golden brown. I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt on them. And then we've got some Cajun seasoning I'm just gonna put on. I'll just sprinkle a little bit on. And then I'm gonna sort of like shake them up in the bowl. So it takes on all that spice. So we got the peppers, onions and mushrooms. We're just going to place that on the plate. So as you can see, there's quite a lot of peppers, quite a lot of onions, just slightly caramelised. They smell absolutely amazing. Just a little bit of olive oil, no butter. A little bit of olive oil. So now we're going to carve the steak. I'm going to do it long ways. There we are. Reasonable size slices. You need a sharp knife as well. There we are. So I'm going to season it up a little bit more with a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt just on top, medium rare steak, and then I'm just going to put the fries by the side of it. So you can see the nice golden fries. Put that a little bit on there. as you can see, in a nice pile. There we are. That's the finished dish. So that's rump steak with Cajun fries, caramelised onions and peppers and mushrooms. And this is just a quick, easy, simple meal. The steak was from the local butchers, the chips are frozen, and the veg is from the local veg person. It's absolutely amazing meal. You can do a little bit of garlic mayonnaise with it, serve it with just plain mayonnaise. You can do a chimichurri mayonnaise, spicy Cajun mayonnaise if you want. But this is just a simple dish that's taken 10 to 15 minutes. And that's it, that's a meal out straight away. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Thank you very much for subscribing. And I really appreciate everybody who looks at the channel, subscribes and watches my videos. And if you're not subscribed, thank you very much for watching my videos as well. I just appreciate everybody. Thank you.